Oh. Apple. Ndayinqamza. Ngathi ngamajita. Enqamza itshelo nyomntana apha eKapa. Asale beku-Active Princess yena. Bamda. Bamhlafuna. Bamju. Asale beku-Active Princess. Bamhlafuna sana. Molweni sithandwa zam. Molweni mama darling. Molweni mama sweetie pie. Ninjani mama loving. Andifuni user. Akekho nongiceba mandithini mna. Nobody. Nobody can tell me what to do. Andifuni right up. I don't want to, bro. Isibumbu session hayi awume. Yeveza ntoni? Yeveza na. Mna andizobona 360 guys ndimele kakuhle ma. Akho ndikrokrhisayo ngam. Yonke into isendaweni yayo mjongani. Ndimele kakuhle ngam. Ngoba isiketi yonke into isendaweni yayo. Nazi nanto zifihli mna. Lethanga inyashe that's all. Umlenze ngumlenze sisitho. Akho nto ibaxekileyo kuma akho nto irongi. God took his time. Yabona? Ndimhlukova sithandwa sam. Ndapha my husband yo. Ngase ndilumbe kanye amazinyo nje. Yebo, nazi nezixhobo. Yebo. Ngakuluma sana mna nazi nezixhobo. Ndiyaphuma 10:07 ngeniyazi. Andifuni. Niyandawutha nina man. Andizithandi trust issues nenazo guys ndimile kakuhle mna. Akekho umntana omele kakuhle njengami iKapa lonke. Ungaliqaba iKapa qala eqaleni. Uqale ngapha emaphandleni uqhina wherever. Akekho umntana omile kakuhle njengami. Nine trust issues nicima nimile njani na? Nine trust issues ingxakini. Akekho umuntu omile kakuhle ugqitha mna. Ndiyakuchallenge. Jikelele Cape Town yonke. Ukhangele umuntu omile kanje ngoLasbon sithando sam ngekho umthola. Oh chayisa lo wami uqhubana nonsense. Wachayisa lami. Yabona usaphaphela imoto shame ufumane semdala. Yo. Uze nenye. Uyaxoka. Ndixoka phi ke igwana whatever. Ndinamanga wantona. Believe what you want to believe. And I don't explain myself to anybody. If I don't explain myself, I'm saying that woman is explaining corner. Then as explain it lapha. Wanyara. Uyifumana semdala imoto la mntu akamntu uqhuba ngola hlobo. Uyifumana sesalibele ba. Ayifumana sisigqezu esambona. Nje uqoba akatshayisa ngapha. Sisigqezu. Yabami uyifumene sekelibele into bana imoto angazabe nayo. Understand? Because ayondlela uqhuba imoto le and kwabantwana apha you can bump into kids, you can do whatever. Understand? Xa usayiphaphela nje. Usayiphaphela. Siyabazi ka. Ubufuna bena umqondo wamaZulu ndingumXhosa u right kahle apha. Le mthethwa umqondo wami funeka ube ngowamaZulu okanye ube ngowamaswati ndingumXhosa. Iyayenza isense lento ungixela yona. Okanye nje you just want to be mean. You just want to be mean. You just want attention, you just want audience. NdingumXhosa khona izotshintsha. So why mina ndicinga njengekhaladi okanye njenge whatever ndingumXhosa? Bethuna sanusifollow nisinyanya man because ngoku nisenze into ezisnacks as unnecessary. Sanusifollow asinforced. Sanuhlala ko live bethu sanusigezela. Guys, apha ku TikTok there's a button. Block, scroll up, whatever. If you think a person thinks whatever you think, that is your opinion, that is your problem. Block that person. We understand, block that person. Sungixaba nomqondo omXhosa apha. Niyathanda ukuhlangalaza yonke into nehlangalaza. Yonke nicabula ngumabani ucalucalulwa ke nina. Yeah, but because I know very well about uyintoni wena. Nicapula ngumabani ucalucalulwa. Now you wanna tell me ndicinga njengomXhosa. Ufuna ndicinga njengantoni? Njengebhaca, kanje njengekhaladi, kanje njengomlungu. NdingumXhosa uright kahle. Niyageza nina. Niyageza. Andizicela ngoba manditye into ndelo nto. Usile wena. Usile uthanda attention. Abantu balapha bathanda mina abanaxesha labo nobubhanqa lapha. Abanaxesha labo. You understand? Abantu balapha kulo live bucuma ufuna audience yabo balapha because they like me. It's not about you to followers as phone. It's not about you sungiqhela. You know mna I'm a human being sungihlangaliza zakuphambanela. Sungihlala ndicabula semsebenzini nonsense yenzayo. Sungihlangaliza. Yonke into neyahlangaliza. Yonke into neyahlangaliza I fuck off wena man ubroke wena. Chini Thixo nyari ngiqhela kakubi. And ndiyathanda ucomment ububhanqa lo. Ikhona into eshotayo apha ngaye. I'm not a toxic person. Whoever followed me from my old account know me very well. I'm not toxic. I'm here to play and whatsoever. Susan has dressed go wenu apha wena umzodilikileyo sungiqala. Cash content. Shanda pa. Marage Madonna star. Yeah, get my shit down. Thank you, Menzi. Thank you, sweetie. Thank you, Mr. Cowgirl. Anyway, 7 wami abetha ngoku bethile. Dine 10 minutes ndilapha, understand? So ndiyanzophuma ngoku. Phinde nihlani ibona ngosithandwa sami. Okay nina guys. Phinde nihlani ibona. Ndinibonise ntoni chomi zami? Ndinibonise ntoni? Thebhani screen guys cause you guys niya requesta nibaninzi apha andizunamkela thebhani screen. Oh hayibo nansi chomi yami bethuna nanku Bongs andikwazi ungamamkela uBongs ixoleleni. Bongs khawuthebha screen. Thebha screen zakwamkela. Tap the screen. Hey guys, I'm very excited, ne? Thank you, Mr. Cowgirl. Indwenders are excited. How do I look, guys? Oh, should I say? Okay, jonganezi ne. Khani ndijonge kwezi ne. Ndizofaka ezinye ne. Thebhani screen zanifaka lo chomi zami. Ndizofaka ezinye. And then yo. Okay. Hamba ndiziqoqosha intoni ngoko. Okay, niyazibona mosezi ne? Niyazibona? Niyazibona ne? Niyazibona mosezi thebhani screen ke sanosiyeka screen esi. Okay. Tinjani chomi zami? Chomi zami tinjani ngoku? Wish is wish. Wish is wish. Wish is wish, huh? I thank you. Indlondo yesibumba intoni zakubetha wena lu. Ndakubetha. Enkosi Mr. Chief, enkosi my love. Ewe mani nam ndithanda ezi. I don't know if you guys are talking about those ones. Ndithanda ezi ke sani, bendixibe ezi ke sani. Benizidala kanjani emini? Khani yazi nina ndiyarhala khe nindibone mani abangandazi banisa abandaziyo kodwa apha naku live face to face. Ndiyarhalela khe nindibone abangandazi xa ndihamba endleleni nizidala ngayo. Thank you sithandwa sam thini tswempu. Yabo indlela endizidala ngayo. And guys, mna xa ndihamba mna nekuve kucaca neetshomi zam zibe nentloni uba hayibo tshomi. And then ndithi and then what guys? And then what? Xa kucaca mna funeka xa kuhamba mna funeka kubonakala uba okay ndingenile. Mandingangeni mani endaweni kungacaci uba ndingenile. Injani loo nto? Natso ke wena MP baxelele uba ndichulu ndithanda yo I it's fine, it's the story for another day. Ewe man sithando sam nam ndithanda ezesibeni sindenza ndibe ngathi ndingumntana oh nice. Anyway ndinice nam. Ndiyakuthanda nam Cairo, ndiyakuthanda nam. Molo mntu wam. Sawubona ntokazi. Yho. Hayi ezamakhe. Anifuna ungena apha njengoba ningathephi iscreen anibanintsi guys. Andizonifaka tu tshomi zam. Ninga-request ka-100 andizonifaka shem because you don't want to tap the screen. And ndiyaphuma mna nge-10 past andinaxesha lale nto because you guys don't want to be with me. I don't want to be with you as well. So phuma kanje. Ise ibingase ndibuyele ndibe mncinci. Oh, are you taken? Think, guys. Think, guys. Can you think? Guys, can you be serious, guys? Okay, ndinibuza nonke ke ngoku. How do I look like? Andizonifaka guys because anditap the screen. You understand that there is no way that ndizanifaka kwipanel ningatap the screen because andifuna utap the screen. Okay, story for another day. You understand? Ndithi kuni be realistic. What do you think? Do you think I'm single? I'm in a relationship? I'm whatever. What do you think? Ndifuna uva kuni. Tell me guys, what do you think about me? Ndifuna uyiva ngani mna not andifuna uyiva next door. Ndifuna uyiva ngani, what do you guys think of me? Yeah, udlala uCapitec. Nayi type yam. MJ uthi. Sorry, MP uthi ndi single. Okay, Mr. Go Get uthi asoze ube single. Single unayo indoda wena. Single. I think I'm taking a risk. A risk of what? You are reserved for me. Guys, be realistic, guys. What do you think, guys, of me? Do you think I'm single? Most, but single. But okay, aba bathi ndi single. Support your answer. Why do you guys think I'm single? I'm not single. Support your answer also. Why do you think that I'm not single? Azisha khepana screen galo. Oh my god, ndanentloko. Ndanentloko ndenzele stress esomthambo sinyuka apha. Ndanentloko fast. Guys, can entertain man. Thepana screen galo chomi zam ninjena ngenini. Thepana screen. Thepana screen ndizon accept. Thepani screen and need 3 minutes ndilava ndihamba. Okay, uthi uthamsanqa single because I'm here. Single and andizomamela enye into. Hayibo. Khona bangacela ukubona inkomo. Hayi khawume ngenkomo manje sithetha nganye. Ngimncane impela kodwa wena into endingakwenza yona. Ungandezani? Ungangenza. Buthi ungangenzani? Ngila etukayi mama uphi wenzani etukayi? Wenzani etukayi? Okay, ndithi kuni aphendulani lento ndiyibuza yona andizuva ngani. Iphendulani lento ndiyibuza yona. What makes you think I am single and what makes you think ndiku relationship? Kodwa nawe umhle nkosi. What solution Thamsanqa? Ithini solution yakho? Ithini solution? Ithini solution? Ithini solution? Because you guys asked me a question, then I'm asking you a question in return. Eventually, I'm gonna answer this question, ne? But my thing is, what makes you guys think I am single the rest, and what makes you guys think I'm in a relationship? What if I don't like relationship? I don't like men. Nothing. Nizawuthini guys? Ndivele ndithi nje uba mna I don't like men. Nizothini ndifuna nani niphendule honestly ba no last one asizokuphikisa or whatsoever, but ndisho nithi chomi zam, my thing is I don't like men. Yebo. Yo. Oh. Hi, Bo. No, guys, I'm like this by nature. I can't intense about ungathi ndivuka phi. Come nifake guys. Because ndibona ba can't tap on the screen code, otherwise ndiyaphuma in 2 minutes. Umbuzo wami.
Unjani welasibone? Sorry ungena la bengaqondile kodwa. Bese ngiyayikomentela ngena la ngapha ku live wakho. Ngiyaphila hayibo, ngiyakuzwa nje ukhala ngokuthi wena ngimbuza eminingi yabo. Nje ukuthi why abantu becabanga ukuthi usingile.
I wanna know why. Hello.
Hey, phela ngazi ngaze ngiphule mina ngizosanusi kalokho.
Siyaphila njani?
Siyaphila nami. Ulokudla ulasibona usisi lo welokushani. Wale moto.
Wena eghola.
Indaba uthuswa yini?
Kubani ungxolayo Thobisa? Ungxolayo. Yeah, I think it's the person that I just removed.
Okay, how are you, Nana?
I'm okay, how are you?
I'm good too. Same individual, ne? With the trending of the what's in babies and now I'm also you, baby.
Yes.
Okay, some panel wrong, but we follow each other, so yeah, should be the same thing. The content, main content, the main event, Jesus. What's that?
You don't main content, guys.
What's the white people in South Africa?
Bo, what did I do, bruh?
About divorce.
But divorce is why phela.
Content, the main event. All right, Nan.
You're right, Daddy.
Yes, up, mommy. Today is Friday. That's one day is. If you know in South Africa, yonke. Abang.
Yeah, it's Friday. When's on Friday?
And then actually, is the thing is it red bunny button? Is it restricted? Your TikTok yako like I'm a videos are they restricted live yako? I can't drink beer.
Yeah, you can't.
Ooh, wow, my chinch.
You can't.
That's what we're doing on a Friday. Can't smoke, can't drink, and can't put my name. So uthini
But
kubantu bakho? Athi ngizwe. Cabanga. He, yazi. Ngithi uthini kubantu bakho? Athi ngibuza uthini kubantu
ngani
bakho? Namhlanje ngifuna ukuzwa from the horse's mouth. Uthini kubantu bakho?
ngani ngithini ngani
Because obviously bangeneda vele for ukuthi hayibo.
for ukuthi bathini
Khona ibharayathini wayibona le video lo WhatsApp uthi akaze ngayifica ingaka mfowethu. Angiyazi ingaka. You've never seen that video?
don't mind
What?
people man
Hey?
don't mind them
Kodwa nawe. Ayi nawe.
hi then what did I do guys I don't understand you
Manje mina the
What
only
did I do?
question. Mamela buka. The question I ask myself mina into engizibuza yona ukuthi hypothetically sithi ngi-out yakho ne siku-relationship now ntwana i-suicide once ngazibulala once Tani uyacabanga
uzibulalelani
like serious uyacabanga ukuthi ilokusha kababy is the talk of the town ku-TikTok
hayi bo guys okay let mandukulungise ne
yeah
mandukulungise ne I've never mna ndithi me Jongani, you understand? So Zana need me, Jongani and all of that. So I don't understand where is this coming from. And it does not bother me because I didn't show anybody any smumbu. So
ubani ukhuluma ngesibumbu manje ubani ukhuluma ngesibumbu
I know very well ukhuluma ngalondo and the comments zami sitha ngalondo 24/7. I know.
What's that?
I know most. That's what people talk about, you understand? So I don't have a problem because
9 times out of 10 ngiyabheja mina usingile wena you could never be in a relationship
yeah, I'm single.
no, it could never be like ngisho kuthiwa yazi suicide
Okay, let me shock you. I'm not single.
uku relationship
Serious?
serious
Yes.
and yet i-content like i-main event on your socials is
Umuntu wami akangumuntu wa TikTok, wamdida kudala u-TikTok, he don't have problems, he's okay. You understand? He can't.
mana bo aside from TikTok mntwana makuthi ichair yakho ngiyazi mina ukuthi ichair yakho yazi noma ufike emsebenzini uzotshelwa yimi ukuthi ntwana udla kamnandi boy you
Yo wena.
ecabanga uthi uzofika emsebenzini ngithi esipani ngithi ntwana izolo ngisema ngithi angisithela kwenye into boy are you blessed mfana wami understand
And then Mawungena Span, everybody's watching this video. But there's no video most.
awunamanga awukho ku relationship ngakho akuna self-respecting there's no self-respecting male umuntu wesilisa onga accepta leyana ukuthi no mos ikuku ya baby mos is the thing in South Africa at this point in time
But abe eyazi ubaby kavezanga nix. So intoni ingxaki? Akaphambani Muslim.
okay so kushuthi i-South Africa yonke yaphambana uma ngavezanga
Yes, because I didn't show anything.
ne
EP video mabalande jonga sithandwa sami. Mabalande video beyi-1 abane evidence bathi nansi.
you know what's the nice thing yazi nemnandi da ukuthi even cherry pick ama comments are specific towards that you understand ukuthi like you defending something that's there
Yo hi papa yini madihambe guys. Sawungena ngo.
I'm not
No,
questioning you.
caution.
Utshela
I'm
my
going
brother.
somewhere.
Tell my
Sawungena
brother.
ngo 9 o'clock. I'm here. I want to show people something, yo manyani. You understand?
I'm not coming. Manje nami ngibe witness ye-suicide. Futhi ngo 9:10 khona uzozibulala ngo 9:10. Nami I'm living proof ukuthi I saw it nami. No andizi.
Saku-invite uzanibona kahle kamanje akufollow saku-invite.
Abanye lokho banepati la ngaphandle. Abanye lokho banepati we angekho.
Saku-invite akangela kulala.
Cabanga lakhona ilokusha le yakho usuku lakho ozozibulala ngalo listateswa on public platform ukuthi ngo-9 today it's gonna be you choose the one ukuthi do you live with it or do you uzoligwinya or uthi mina ngikhathele manje.
Uyabona kule I'm going now ne. Uyabo and then ngolantuka ngo-9 I'm inviting you. Uzanibona kahle.
Hayi ayifutbol mina. Ngiyawazi nje. Ngizoyibona kusasa seyitrend kusasa in the morning ukuthi hayibo izolo phela TikTok sensation lekhuzane yakhe. Ngiyobona sekuyiskandal mina ngizoyibona kusasa.
Oh, Gule. You've made my day.
All right, man, you drive safe, ne?
Bye-bye. Yeah, guys, that more nyani ngo-9 ne. Whoever wanna see whatever, see ngo-9. Mwah, ngiyandithanda ne.
Bomb, I'm watching.